Okay, starting the video in here. As a property photographer, pardon the echo, it's quite an echoey house just now, but this is another property which I thought I just have to show everyone for the challenges that it brings as a photographer. So one of the annoying things for property photographers to deal with is shiny, reflective stuff. In fact, you almost saw it there. Reflective walls and mirrors, stuff like that. You've got to hide yourselves from the mirrors. And this house, I think, is a new winner for the most amount of reflective stuff in one house. Trying to Photoshop myself out. Photoshop out also the flash reflections and all that kind of stuff from this one. It's effectively like I've gone into a nightclub. If you're really into nightclubs, and after you've left the nightclub, you want to come home and feel like you're still in the nightclub, this is the flat for you. But this is OD'd on reflective tiles. So it's not mirrors, it's a reflective tile with a bit of a pattern to it. Something I've noticed, it's just like a silver reflective tile. So yeah, so that means any photo shooting back into the room, it's just effective from here. It looks like a mirror going on there. So that's interesting. The one room that doesn't have it was this one. This is just a normal room. But then in the hall, you've got more tiles, glass and reflective metal on there. So you've got a weird kaleidoscope look of yourself there. And then the kitchen, let's see if this camera can actually, I'll change the exposure, auto exposure. Everything here is reflective. So there's my head in the window over there. So if I use any flash, that will just all be illuminated there. So also then you'll see my legs moving around over here, reflective bit there. Work surface, reflective, tiles, reflective, just everything shiny, reflective here. So yeah, effectively can't use flash and have to just hide myself in the corner. So that one's fine, that was fine. And then into the whole nightclub. So this is, as you come in through the stairs up there, you've got your disco lights on the floor. You've got your skylights up above, and you've got this reflective castle tower going on here. And then kind of slightly reflective glass going on there. But yeah, and then the bathroom as well. Marble all around, which is also very reflective. So you'll see me in the reflection over there. So again, can't use flash for any of this, but this I just thought was like bedroom, fine. Next bedroom, fine. Tiled all the way through, so that's why it's really echoey here. But I just thought this is a unique property that I've not shot one like this. Again, the shower is just one of those like walk-in with a kind of skylight to what is out here. So I hear a fan on, so that's the fan. Interesting. So floor lights, mirror, tiled wall, skylights, reflective everything, reflective hallway. It feels like a nightclub. And then a full-on reflective massive wall. You would not need a mirror if you lived in this property. But yeah, just that is a design feature which I will definitely be mentioning to the marketing team, saying, how do we mention this in our marketing? Unique property with mirrored castle-like tower in central column with skylights over to a marble style skylight open roof shower. Whew. Good luck for the team marketing this one, trying to figure out the text for this. Brilliant. Love it.